It is here on the beach. It is got a beautiful custom built ramp for those of you who will need that. Most of us will need it in our years. Alright, I'm walking up the ramp. Also has a storage behind it. Small, I'll actually get that in a minute. Let's go ahead and walk down the stairs. This is a beach lot. It's now used as a Airbnb, but look how cute they've done oh, so cute. Look at the flowers, how pretty. It's, I would say, an olive green, really nice green color with gutters, 12 by 20. Let's walk around the other side. Really nice porch. You could actually put some covering over that if you wanted to. Looks like it's been stained. This is in Newport, Tennessee. Love the little storage. Very nice. Again, a gorgeous, yeah, I'd say olive khaki green kind of color. It'll be so pretty. I might even consider putting, I think the skirting has been added since, so maybe pulling that color all the way down to the bottom on the skirting. These are close, but they are on concrete. And there is actually some storage underneath, but you know, concrete. So if you're a little unsure of your footing, perfect. The beach is perfect for those of us that, you know, don't want to walk and twist an ankle or are unsure of ourselves. And it looks like you have plenty of parking for one person. You could even put a little patio set out here. Look how cute. Really nice. Really nice. Let's go in. And also the steps have some slip rugs on them so you don't hopefully get you know, with the rain or snow that they might have. All right, let's go in. Oh, it's nice and cool. Thank you for whoever opened it up and put the cool in. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, let's do a pan. Let's do a pan of this. Love the light blue. It feels so airy and oh, I love it. Okay, this comes with what you see. It is set up as an Airbnb now. Queen bed in the little bedroom nook. This is my 12 by 20 that I had, but I had the first model, which was laid out a little bit different, but I love this pattern. Floor plan, I love it. It's just, look how much floor space you have. I'm gonna stand over here by the bed. Look at that. You're not stepping over anything. You're not crawling around things. Look at that. There's your coming in the door. And then you just have a lot of open floor space. Look how pretty the beams are. A lot of the natural wood was left. You could stain that, you could paint that. I think I ended up painting mine white, and I painted all my trim white, but that's totally up to you. Look at that. Farmhouse sink. These are the matrix drawers. Self-closing. Love the white. We all know that's such a nice clean finish. What a cute little microwave stand. So you don't have to have it on your limited space for the countertop. So she has put a microwave stand in here, and there's all kinds of storage on that with her toaster oven on the top. Room for your little garbage can. Really nice. Now, what you can put in here, as you'll see, is a washer dryer. You could put a stackable or a combination one that would probably be at the level of the countertop. And you can investigate those, but both work well. The kitchen countertop is beautiful. They've finish that for you. Look at the sink. This is all you need. I love a big sink. And a window with your lighting. Now, they have a nice little miniature mini fridge down here in the fire extinguisher. But you definitely could put a larger size fridge in here. I'm gonna say up to depending on how tall it is, if this is 24 inches, they make plenty of those. So I know that you have to watch back in the corner, but you could definitely do a taller fridge, maybe a little wider. And then this will be, I would assume, your water heater, which is so good to hide that, but it is accessible when you need to access it should you have any problems. Again, they are using this as an Airbnb, but their plans have changed, and they would love to sell it. Love this, love this design. I didn't realize the beach even had any 12 by 20s on it. I thought all of them were over in the Grove. So this would make a great entertainment center. There is your mini split, and it is nice and cold. I walked in and it felt awesome. So draperies will stay. These are the original panels. Again, once you paint them, you don't notice the screws as much. But there's all kinds of other things you can do with that. And look at the wood finish they put on the walls. Love that. That, again, could be, I think that would be really cute if they painted it white. But I know a lot of people like the wood. But I would probably do it white, and I would do my beams white. But look at that. And then that's nice storage up there for things you don't have to access all the time. Maybe your suitcases or a Christmas decoration, and you could hide it in some way where you're not looking at it every day. So yeah, love the storage above. These are nice big windows. Let me show you. They're huge and they slide open. They're really nice. All right, now this has a door to your bathroom. Oh, look how sweet the bathroom is. Here we have the sink. Again, some nice wood detail. Your floors are that gray. We see a lot of the gray. Flushing toilet. Look how that's so nice. Now you could put something up there that's long and skinny to store. But now these are built in right here. Let's step back so we can see those. See that storage, that's nice. A little storage in your bathroom. Here's your shower, 36 inch. Let me step in here so I can show kind of how big, get a sense of how big your, so here is your bathroom. Got that little sink with lots of storage underneath. And this is not crowded at all. Plenty of room. And then that goes out into your living room. All right, I love the wood detail. Isn't that a cute accent on the walls? All right, let's get this. Okay. Here's me, I'm standing in the bathroom doorway, so you can see, here's what you get to see from the bathroom. Does this feel like a tiny home? I mean, it really does not feel. You got 12 feet wide, so when you get 12 feet wide, you get lots of floor space. And I love that. Love, love, love that. Definitely, I believe the sofa is a sleeper sofa. Or it's a sleeper futon, I think. Yeah, the back lays down. And probably is more like a double bed. But the owner would love to answer any questions you might have about this one. Super cute. I will put her email on the screen for you. Please reach out if you have any questions or would like to make an offer. Again, this one is in the beach in Newport, Tennessee. And the price I will also put on the screen. And you all have a nice day, and thanks for watching. Bye.